Hey man, can you pass me that piece of paper please?
Hello everyone, good to see you again. My name is Syahrian Pradita from Intermediate Pronunciation A, and welcome to Learning Session with Ryan. Today, I'm going to show and guide you to pronounce the plosive consonant sound, especially plosive bilabial sound, which is this one, this right here. Okay, first of all, Ryan, what does plosive sound actually means? Well, plosive sounds, also called as a stop sound, is a consonant sound that formed by blocking air that comes from our lung inside our mouth and then suddenly releasing it. Kind of like an explosion. See? Explosion, plosive. There are three parts to make the plosive sound. First is closure. Closure is the act of drawing two articulators in order to perform a complete obstruction. The second one is stoppage. Stoppage is a period of time which the outgoing air is completely blocked, so it cannot passes out from our mouth. And the last one is release. A release is the act of separating two articulators so that the air escapes with the plosive sound. There are total 6 plosive sounds, but today we're going to practice to pronounce this plosive bilabial sound. It's a plosive bilabial sound that formed by combining two articulators, which is our lips, together to make a plosive sound. To make the plosive sound, first combine two lips into tight contact so that the outgoing air is completely blocked inside of your mouth. Second, raise up your palate so that it clogged off the nasal passage so that there is no air coming out of your nose. Remember, the vocal cords are not vibrating during the stoppage. And then, finally, release the air by suddenly opening your lips. When you suddenly open your lips, the outgoing air will escape with the plosive sound. Now, it's practice time. Let's practice it with me. Now, your turn. Great job! See the previous scenes where my friend tried to pronounce the words paper? Let's try to use plosive sound to pronounce that word. Say it with me. Paper, paper, paper. Look at both of my lips. Paper, paper. Here's some another words that including the plosive sound. Peace, peace. Apple, apple. Place, place. Let's try to pronounce it together. Peace, peace. Now your turn. Great job. Now let's use the other word. Apple, apple. Now your turn. Marvelous. Now let's use it in a sentence. Somebody puts an apple above the piece of paper. Now you know how to pronounce paper, apple, piece, and the other plosive sound of sound in the correct way. That's all for me. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again. Cheerio!